Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Today's question, Andy from Cincinnati says he has a data set like this and he needs to count the number of occurrences in each row, equal counts. And so I'm sure you've used this function before. And it counts how many items we have. But here's Andy's real problem. His data is not numeric like this data is. I'm going to control drag and we'll make a copy of that. Andy's data doesn't have ones. It actually has some text. So we'll use edit replace and change our recurrence of a 1 to, I don't know, something, just a word, yes, let's say. Replace all. Okay, and you see the count function completely fails now. Count cannot deal with text. And so Andy says, well, I need to count these cells. How can I count them when they are text entries? Well, it's not entirely obvious. Count is designed to count only numeric items. There is a second function called COUNTA. COUNTA will count both numeric and text. It's basically counting all of the non-blank cells. So if you need to get a total count, you can use that. I'll just add a 1 here, and you'll see that the 4 changed to a 5. So it does count both numeric items and non-numeric. So just a quick recap. If we want to count the numbers, then we use equal count. If you want to count everything, then you use COUNTA. If you want to count only the text, then I guess we're actually going to use two things. We're going to use COUNTA minus the count, and you're going to get the entries that are text or true, false, and so on. So there you have it. A simple little question if you know the answer. If you don't know the answer, the count function is very, very frustrating. Not counting text items, use COUNTA to handle that. I want to thank Andy for sending that question in, and I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.